So hello everyone, this is my trailer camper project. As you have seen in the first picture, the sketch was drawn on a basic photograph. So I had this idea of building a camper trailer on a camper on a Jeep trailer. I had bought this trailer for about 9 years back. Since then it was lying with me for quite some time, sparingly used. Then I decided to build a box on it. So why a box? Why not build a body on the trailer itself? So there is a reason. This trailer is registered as open trailer, so it has to remain that way. I can't build a body on that. So I decided to build a box on that. The box can be taken out. As you can see, the box can be jacked up and it is separately built. As you can see in these pictures here, it has how I have started the build. It is in the pictures. So the box can be taken out, then the trailer remains normal, no modifications to the trailer is completely original, and the box can be taken out. So now what the whole project is about, it is a camper trailer. You can see it can be used to carry goods or whatever. That is the purpose. Now the main thing, the material. People can see, you can see the whole thing is built up in steel angles. Why basically is that the whole material used in this project is completely recycled material, that is from scrap. I had a lot of scrap lying in my yard, and 3 months back the lockdown came, and I was kind of everybody was jobless, nobody was going nowhere. So the compound, our compound is totally with us, for 7 8 people we live in, and the business was closed, so nobody was coming from outside. So I could work in my garage. Then I sorted all the scrap. I had all the, you can see, you can say, the material, welding rods, cutting tools, these that everything was there. So then I decided I will do something, as I could see the lockdown was going to be for long, it wasn't short. So I was sure about that. So I decided to give it a plunge. Then I started to sort out the scrap. Lot of scrap was there of various types, angles, strips, metal strips, this that, so many things were there. So then I chosen my basic material, and then I started using it. Initially, in the first opening photograph you have seen, the drawing was ready, the concept was ready. Then I finalized it, measured it, and then I started building on it. So these are the images. You can see how the build progressed step by step. Now in this picture you can see it's on the stands. You have to simply jack it up and lower its legs. Front one are folding, rear are one are telescopic, and withdraw the trailer out from beneath. This is the box, you can see. Now we can see it on the ground, so I could finish all the buildings, this that. Initially I haven't decided about the roof, but a roof has to be fixed. It couldn't be raised or something, because I needed to carry some weight on the roof. That was the basic idea. And secondly, two people could stay on the roof, on a rooftop tent. So the length is 6 feet by 4.5 feet, so two people need to stay on this, so it should sustain the load. So now you can see the upside down box for the welding purposes. Here you can see the galvanized sheet metal is pinned to the bottom. Now the bottom board is there, the bottom is complete. Now again it is been raised on its feet. Now the trailer will slide in, it will again sit in the box in the trailer. So the bottom wood, this is wood is bottom 20 mm, so insulation will be there. And And for the sheet metal I am going to put some heat launch sheets from inside. The roof section is basically angle frame, then half inch wooden sheet is on top of it, bolted, and upon that wooden top there will be aluminum checkered plate. So till now the whole thing has come up. As you can see, the roof has been made. This is it.